This is a heritage of the knowing that you all will uncover. Since the trail, there have been many offerings for the Navajo nation from the white man. This is in combination with seminal talks. These talks are to become the conclusion of the feud between the white man and the Native American structure. This, too, will be a whirlwind of surprises for all. For they know that justice is coming. They knew that it would appear. They allowed the injustices of our kingdom to be trampled upon, to be blown through the winds and executed in many ways. So there too will always be a linger of the past, unless